Let go. There you go. Good stuff.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
No, you're all right.
Okay.
You're all right.
Oh,
We're good. We're good.
Whoa.
This ain't working. You're gonna have to get that because you're gonna have to motion yourself up.
I could give you an extra hand, I guess.
Yeah, please, if you would.
I got a fish here.
Okay, hang on. Your dad's going. Hurry up!
That's a little sketchy at first, I'm not gonna lie. That's a little sketchy.
Hold on. You want us to get the,
Hang on. Don't let go. Hang on.
Hang on!
You might have to do that again.
Andy, look at this son. I was like, what the heck just happened there? What was that?
I don't think I taped it.
Why?
Because I think I was watching you. Let me rewind it and see what I got.
Ready?
Safety first. You need a helmet, Michelle.
I do. Cameraman needs a helmet.
Oh, I don't know if I can make it all the way.
There goes Daddy.
That was quite the thud.
That was pretty good.
Did you see him, Addison?